Hi friends, good morning. This is me UJ. I'm back with one wonderful quote about yourself and attitude. How attitude is important and how important is be with yourself in life. One simple quote I say, let's continue. Never finish a negative statement. Never finish a negative statement. Reverse it immediately and wonders will happen in your life. So try to apply in your life these lines. It helps your success way near, your goal near. Let's continue. I will back with new day, new quote. Bye bye.